Just spot them all being all lit up?
Nah, the exterior lights don't work.
How do you know?
This firefly, Melanie told me all about it. This looks fancy. Wanna try it?
Yeah!
You ready for this?
What are we doing? Whoa, 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 whoa. Riley, come here!
No, you got this, go.
What the heck? This is awesome. Oh, man. Come on, get up here, sit next to me.
All right, wait up. No,
man.
no. I just got on. Live! Phooey.
Well, I loved it, so there.
Oh. I got something else.
What is that?
What did the triangle say to the circle?
What is that?
You're so pointless.
Fuck you! You found another pun book?
What did the cannibal get when he showed up to the party late?
A
cold shoulder. Here, it's for you.
You know, you might just be my favorite person again. Just saying.
I know my girl. Just saying.
All right, you ready?
All right.
I heard 2 peanuts walked into a park. One was assaulted.
Oh!
Good one.
Good.
A boiled egg in the morning is really hard to beat.
That's funny.
That is funny.
I like that one.
I'm reading a book on anti-gravity, and it's impossible to put down.
Nice.
Yes, that one's awesome. It's not that the guy didn't know how to juggle. He just didn't have the balls to do it.
Oh.
I'm glad I know sign language. It's become quite handy.
That's silly.
That's really silly. All right, I'm putting this away. Hey, thanks for getting me this.
You're welcome. The photo booth's on. Ellie, we're so doing this. Ellie, come on. You broke my camera. I want new pictures of us.
How does this work?
You just follow the instructions, I think. Should I do it? No, you know what? You do it. Ooh, themes. What are you gonna pick?
Let's try friends.
Wow, that's adorable. I'm the frog.
You can't choose a character.
You're the rabbit.
Gotta go with the frog. Oh, okay, smile. You're closer. No, no bunny ears. Okay, something creepy. Move in.
Oh, let's make an ugly face.
Okay. Squishy face.
Okay, let's make a silly face.
Okay. Pig nose. Oh, it's all done. All right. Hey, there we are.
We look stupid.
Stupidly awesome. What's a Facebook?
Maybe it prints our faces in a book?
Oh, give us some pictures.
Oh my god, I can't believe it's actually gonna work.
I know.
Hit retry.
Okay. What? Oh, come on. Fuck you.
maybe if you hide it up here. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, what just happened?
I think we broke it.
I think we did too. So...
So...
You want to keep exploring?
Hell yeah.
Attention. The 6 a.m. shift starts in 10 minutes. All drafted citizens must report for duty. Anyone
I hate that lady. Why does she have to sound like such a dick?
I know, right? Here's how I do it. Attention. The 6 a.m. shift starts in 10 minutes.
Okay, let me try. Citizens are required to carry their ID card at all times.
Report all signs of infection to your nearest area administrator. Remember, inaction costs lives.
Yeah, that would definitely be better. Whoa! Look at me! No fucking way!
I told you.
No, don't tell me it's busted.
It's busted.
Man, for a second I thought I was gonna play it.
You still can.
How?
All right, come here. Close your eyes. Do it.
Okay.
Use this to move. This is your punch, this is your kick, and you block with this.
Okay.
First, you have to choose your character. You're playing as the unstoppable, claw-wielding, yet drop-dead gorgeous Angel Knives.
Am I supposed to picture all this?
Eyes!
Okay, sorry.
She stands on the edge of the Shadow Temple, an ancient mystical building where they hold the tournaments of the immortals. Your opponent, Black Fang, steps out of the temple. He's this super ripped white dude with 3 arms. He's out for your blood. The music kicks up as he gets into his fighting stance. You ready?
Bring it.
Round 1. Fight.
Round 1 starts. Black Fang rushes towards you. He throws a double punch in your direction. Jump up! There! He overshot you. You land behind him. Quickly, punch him in the back. You nailed him with a wicked elbow, taking off like 15% of his health.
Yes!
He spins around and comes back with a Shadow Claw attack.
What do I do?
Hold back and block to counter. You throw up your elbows just as he executes his combo. You skid backwards but take no damage. The final block knocks him off his balance. He could recover any second. Quickly, counter with a heavenly lift. Down, up, kick. Nice. He grabs you. Punch to break free. Hit up, block, and kick for a blade change. Lock him. You got it. Down, forward, punch first. Watch out.
All right. Nice. Strike!
Your time here's done.
Finish him.
The screen turns dark. Angel Knives' blades begin to glow. She pierces his torso again and again until his heart flies right out of his chest. She winds back her leg and roundhouses his head clean off. A geyser of blood covers the entire playing field.
Oh, nice.
That is an ultra kill. Angel Knives throws her fists in the air. You win.
Fuck yeah, I win.
Not bad for your first game. So?
It was alright.
You loved it.
Yeah, I kinda did.
You hear that?
Hey, you know what? We should head back. I need to head back.
You got plenty of time.
Riley, I don't have any more strikes left at this place. Tomorrow we'll just pick up where we left off.
I can't.
We'll just do it another day then. Okay, Firefly Girl, when?
They've asked me to leave
Leave what?
Boston. I'm supposed to join a group in another city. I argued with them to stay here. But you know how Marlene is. Nothing's easy with her. Everything's a test. They're picking me up tomorrow.
Okay.
That's it?
Well, what do you want me to say?
I don't know. How about some friendly advice? I'm serious.
Why did you bring me here?
I wanted to see you.
No, why did you bring me here?
I don't know.
You want my advice? Go. Come on, let's just say our goodbyes.
I'm gonna go check out this music.
Riley. Riley! God damn it. Where the hell did she go? Riley! Riley! What the fuck are you looking at?
You ever seen anything like this?
Are we just done talking?
I don't know, are we?
You don't get to be pissed off at me. I'm pissed off at you.
For what? Asking you what you think?
When have you ever cared about what I think? We were good. We were better than good, and then you told me to fuck off, and then you just up and vanish. This whole day. You feel guilty? You want an out? I'm giving it to you.
I'm supposed to be holed up on the other side of town. I get caught as a Firefly, I'm dead. Guilt didn't make me cross a city full of soldiers, Ellie. And yeah, I did some shit that I don't know how to take back, but I'm trying. Speaking of, those water guns you've been dreaming of? I nearly got shot for these. Surprise.
Okay. First, I'm gonna destroy you. And then we'll talk.
You're about to get drenched.
Let's see what you got, Firefly Girl.
You getting scared yet? Ellie, come on. Oh, what? I got you on the run. Gotcha.
Oh. Oh, man!
Boosh. I just fucked you up.
What? You barely even hit me.
You're drenched. Okay. You count to 5. I'll go hide, and we'll hunt each other. Whoever gets hit first loses.
Fine.
Close your eyes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You ready?
Oh, damn.
All right, that's game.
All right, best 2 out of 3. Let's go again.
All right. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Time to die.
Bullshit.
Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot, what did I just do? Did you see those skills?
Okay.
Someone should revoke that dog tag.
Wow. Now you're just mean. That's it. We're going again.
Riley, I would love to do this all day.
But you gotta go back.
I gotta go back.
Okay. Fine. Can I at least walk you home?
I guess.
Come on, let me get my backpack.
Hey, so... I said it like an asshole, but I totally meant it. You should go. I mean, this is something that you've wanted for, forever, so who am I to stop you?
The one person that can.
No, please don't go. I'll be so miserable without you. I'll be fine. And you'll be fine. And we'll see each other again.
You should keep these. Not gonna do me any good. You still lug that Walkman around?
Always.
Let me see it.
Here.
What's in it?
That tape you gave me?
You really will be miserable without me.
Shut up.
Leave that. Follow me.
What are we doing?
You'll see. Yeah.
Really?
Come here. Get your ass up here.
So stupid.
Come on. Here.
Hey, what's wrong?
Don't go. Sorry. For what? What do we do now?
We'll figure it out. But I don't think Marlene's gonna.
Wait. Riley! Joel!
Oh, shit! What the hell? Relax. What the hell are we doing here? Who gives a fuck about that old man and a little girl?
The sooner we find them, the sooner we get out of here. Make sure this area's clear. I'm going this way. Check around back.
It's gotta be her. In here. Oh. No, I got you. Fucking nothing.
Anything?
Nothing, man.
All right, I'm coming to get you, Joel. These guys want to fight? I'll fucking give them one. I'm gonna get to him, stitch him up, and then I'm gonna get the hell out of here. Which way? Man.
It's fucking freezing in here. Last surviving member of my crew. And I'm gonna die in an air duct.
One check in here.
Fuck these guys.
Shh. I hear infected. Get down. Wait for the others. Shit, they heard us! No! Son of a bitch! No!
So close. I need a way around.
Around her.
She over there?
She's not here. Hey, spread out.
That's it.
Hey, I hear the fucking horse behind you. Help me get this open. Yeah, we'll get the door. You guys keep searching. I don't want to get ambushed. Hunter!
Where do you think you're gonna... Come on!
That's that. All right, Joel. Let's do this. Oh!
Down there, by the door. You gotta pin it down. Go finish her.
Fuck you! Fine. You wanna do this? Let's do
I'm
this.
moving up. Got her. Move up. Got it. God damn it. Here it comes. Time for this little shit. Watch my back. I got her.
The loser! I see her! She's in here! Oh! Oh!
Watch out! Come on!
That's it. If anyone's alive, don't even think about surprising me! You'll end up like your friends, you hear me? Yeah? Yeah. You better be alive, Joel.
Back to the door! This way. Ellie! What about our backpack? What's the backpack? Shit!
The gate! Help me lift it!
Find something to prop it up with. I'll hold it. Hurry! Ellie, they're almost through. Ellie!
Okay, go!
Through here. Ellie, you with me?
Yeah, I'm right behind you. Keep running. All right.
Up the stairs. The scaffolding? That's our way out. Infected!
Oh, they're behind us too.
This way! Go, 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 go!
They're getting closer.
Just follow me! Ellie!
I'm good. Just keep going.
There's an open window! We're almost out! Reach up! I got you!
Hold on.
Give me your hand!
think it's clear.
Ellie. Ellie, your arm.
No. Don't worry. I've done this before. I'm kind of an expert. Ish. Just stay calm. Stay calm.
There's some more stuff over there you can break.
What are we gonna do?
The way I see it, we got two options. Option one, you take the easy way out. It's quick and painless. I'm not a fan of option one. Two, we fight.
Fight for what? We're gonna turn into one of those things.
There are a million ways we should have died before today. And a million ways we can die before tomorrow. But we fight for every second we get to spend with each other. Whether it's 2 minutes or 2 days, we don't give that up. I don't want to give that up. My vote? Let's just wait it out. You know, we can be all poetic and just lose our minds together.
What's option 3?
Sorry.